Borno State, where close to 5 million persons are projected to be at risk of food insecurity by July to August this year in Borno, Adamawa, Yobe, and Taraba states of Nigeria's northeast. Amidst efforts to combat this menace, the Food and Agriculture Organization of United Nations has commenced the distribution of agricultural inputs targeting over 26,000 vulnerable households. Our correspondent Umaru Kirawa tells us more.
Yanzi Ali, an inhabitant of Dusuman, one of the rice-producing communities in Nigeria's northeast. The age-old insurgency that have ravaged the region made them vulnerable to handout from the government and development partners.
Buron andero gwamnati kumbuchindo kuma isingwa andero kaande tina wonde muskonden a wonde bare ngela kalafuna faida wonde rueda har kalafuna rala goja har bare biya a wonde diyan dai.
Alhamdulillah mun samu yanzu iri da taki yanzu kalubale na biyu maganin feshi irin magani wani lokaci akwai kwari to wannan shi kuma yawancin mu ba mu da karfin sayan magani.
Dai kuma ne an jiran guro bana sha dai kuro am de dono gana an de dai sai ya bananyan sai furo ningiri fu dai sai sanatin sai dona fantin.
The initiative, which focuses on providing productive agricultural assets to vulnerable households, including returnee IDPs and their host communities, aims to rebuild lives and livelihoods.
I want to once again commit to continue supporting the government's efforts in order to achieve zero hunger in Borno State.
With the funding support, and I really want to thank them, the government of Norway, United States of America, Switzerland, and European Commission, FAO is supporting around 27 households, which is around 200,000 people during this rainy season. But that is just the starting point, because we are getting already to launch also the dry season, where we are targeting around 300,000 farmers.
The Borno State government is indeed aware of the strategic role being played by the Food and Agricultural Organization, particularly in assisting victims of the insurgents and in our collective effort to bring about viable and sustainable peace and security in the state.
The distribution exercise is expected to take place in Adamawa, Yobe, and Taraba states and aims to boost food production in the area. In Maiduguri for News Central, Umaru Kirawa.
Still on environmental matters, no fewer than 36 residential houses within Logo 1 community in the Worunkum area of Makurdi, the Benue state capital, located in Nigeria's north-central region, have been displaced by